Pre-haircut video. I'm going to have a haircut tomorrow, so I will post a video after haircut just to see the results in my new YouTube account. Hello from Greece for now. Well, haircut is done. This is the shortest haircut I ever had, even shortest than last times. I think I like it. It's like a marine haircut. I would love to know your comments. Bye from Greece.